Hi friends! Today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 22. Our learning goal for today says, I can compare numbers. Oh good, I love comparing numbers. That's actually one of my favorite things to do. Today we're going to be using pictures to help us compare numbers. We need to really think about how the pictures will help us, okay? Alright, so to help us out today, I brought in two friends. I have Flutter, the butterfly, and Kitty, the kitty cat. Okay, so Flutter and Kitty are here to help us out. And they brought some items with them. So Kitty brought a whole bunch of tennis rackets, and Flutter brought a whole bunch of tennis balls. And I'm going to tell you right now, they don't have the same amount. And I'm just wondering, using the picture, what would be a quick way to compare how many items there are to see who has more? I want you to press pause, turn to the person next to you, and you try to think of a plan before we do any work of how you would compare them, okay? Press pause, tell your neighbor. Okay, did you think of a plan? Oh, if you didn't, you better press pause. All right, remember when we do our good work, we want to think, what would be the best plan for figuring this out? All right, what'd you come up with? Go ahead and tell me. Oh, I hadn't thought of that. Oh, I like that idea. Okay, I want to show you what I did. So we've had pictures before, and what I like to do when I have a picture is I like to count out a group of 10 in the picture and circle it. So that's what I did. I did it for both of these, for the tennis rackets and the tennis balls. I went ahead and I counted carefully, and circled 10. Now, I want you to think, does that help us in any way to figure out who has more? Yes, it's a little bit clearer now, right? What makes it so clear? Well, yeah, because we don't actually have to look at each of these individual numbers. I can see, oh, that's a group of 10 and that's a group of 10. That's the same, right? I just have to look to see what's left over. Well, Kitty Cat has 1, 2, 3, so that must mean he has 13 tennis rackets. Whereas Flutter only has 10, 11, 12. 12. So friends, what number's bigger, 13 or 12? Good, yeah, 13. So there are more tennis rackets. Okay, so the strategy that I'm going to recommend is to look for a group of 10 and circle it in your pictures before you compare. And then you can see which numbers are different. Okay, let's try another one. What else do you guys have? Oh, perfect. Cupcakes and muffins. Ah, what a tasty treat. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and circle my 10, of course. There we go. All right, I want you to press pause, figure out who has more, and then press play when you're ready to tell me. Okay, did you figure out who has more, Kitty or Flutter? Yes, there are more cupcakes. All right, score. Because look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes it 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's only 14. So Flutter is the lucky goose that has more to eat, more cupcakes. Excellent job, friends. All right, our learning goal said I can compare numbers. That's exactly what we've been doing. And we did it by circling a group of 10 within the picture and then looking at the ones that were left over. All right, so here, Flutter and Kitty brought some more things. We have some sneakers and we have some baseball mitts. This is what I would like you to do. I want you to go ahead and figure out who has more. Now, with your dry erase board or with your dry erase marker, you can write right on your iPad and you can circle 10, or you can circle imaginary with your finger to figure it out. Or you can always count them one by one. All right, I want you to go ahead and send me a video and tell me who has more, and then tell me how you figured out your answer. Good luck, friends.